Hi guys, welcome back to another trance reading from the Health Oracle deck. Allow emotional truths to surface. The body compensates when the heart chakra is blocked. Remember the importance of the heart. That is the bridge to the spiritual world. Stagnation in circulation is often a call to forgive. Your heart belongs to the light. Reinstate the working function of the hormones to reverse any imbalances in the endocrine system. So this reading is very much important when it comes to the heart. Know that the heart can do many but can't do much when it is blocked.